Hello everyone, welcome to mallabee, our monitoring system. My name is Ron and Dean is my partner. The system is currently intended for dropshipping from Amazon to eBay. In the future, we will add more marketplaces. At first, you will have to sign up. Once you finish the registration, you will receive a verification email. If you can't find it in the inbox, please check your spam folder. Let's log into the system and explore what we can do. As you can see, there are three main components. I will start by explaining them and afterward connect my eBay store. The first component is the publish, in which you can copy a product from a source to your store. The second component is the inventory, which lets you monitor prices and perform basic actions such as update product details, update stock quantity, deletion from the monitor and eBay, and of course adding an existing product to the monitor. The third component is the orders, where you can see your orders and details about each order. Let's connect our eBay store. Before you connect your eBay store, make sure PayPal is connected to your store. We are using the newer way to list a product, eBay Business Policies, so you will need to enable that feature. When connecting an eBay store, eBay requires you to set default policies for your listed products: payment policy, return policy, and shipment policy. We create these policies for you, but if you have them already, you will be able to use them. Click on the store that you want to connect or at the button in the right bottom corner. You will be redirected to eBay page to agree to grant access to your eBay store. This is a required permission that will allow us to take action in behalf of your account, such as publishing lists. Once you agree, the store will be connected and you will be redirected back to mallabee. Here you can update your store settings. For example, what's your PayPal insertion fee and sale percentage fee. The current settings are the default settings and you can change them to fit your store. Dropshippers use something called break-even percentage. We decided not to go in this path in order to ease beginners. Let's see what a publish component can do. I prepared the product from Amazon in advance. The product is headphones and you can see all the details. Copy the URL, go back to mallabee and paste it. All the details are being pulled and displayed in our system. You can see the title, the category, the suggested categories, more details, and item specifics. The pricing section, which is all based on your store settings. The only thing you can change is the desired profit percentage. Image gallery and item description. Everything you need to ease your publish process as a dropshipper. Let's fill in some details. On the right side of the title field, there is a button. Clicking on that button will open a modal window where you can see long-tail keywords and use them. These keywords are a successful combination of words from the competitors. Next to each combination, there are a few columns with details. Clicking on a combination will add it to the title. When you are done, click on OK to save the new title. Please note that eBay allows only 80 characters for the title. Category. There are suggestions based on similar lists. You can also search for a category or fill in manually. The item specifics on the right side is related to the category and will be updated accordingly when you change a category. The quantity, which is the product stock quantity. UPC. This field is important for eBay SEO. Clicking on the button on the right side will take you to another website which suggests you UPCs based on the original title of the product. Desired profit percentage. I will change the percentage to 12 just to show you how everything changes accordingly. The new price is the price that the product will be published with. The net profit is your net profit after all the fees of eBay and PayPal that you set in the store settings. Specifics. When adding specific details, for some fields you will have suggestions or autocomplete where it's available. I would like to point out that these fields are extremely important for eBay to rank your products higher. I will put some details just to show you how the system works. Images. If you want to change the order of the image, all you have to do is to click on an image, to remove it or to add it back. The order will change accordingly. Long press on an image will open it in full screen. You can add more images using external URL. Description. You can change the description as you like. Once you are done filling all the details, click on Publish. There is a chance you will get a warning alert, even though your product was published successfully and you will be able to see it in the Inventory tab. Here you can see all the monitored products. As you can see, there is only one product, so let's change store to a store prepared in advance. It is important to note that when you publish a product through our system, it will be monitored automatically. Let's see what each column means. The item, product name and ID in your store. ID, the ID of the product in the source store. Amazon in this case. Source, the source store. Cost, the price of the product from the source store. Source stock quantity, the stock quantity from the source store. Price, the price of the product in your store. Target quantity, stock quantity in your store. Profit, estimated profit. Number of views. Number of watchers following price changes. Number of sold items. Sales to views ratio. And actions. At the bottom, there is a summary line to see how many products are active. Clicking on the ID of a product will take you to the product page. Source or yours, depends on which you click. Let's move back to the store I connected at the beginning and click on the ID of my product. You can see that all the details from the Publish step are here. Now I will explain about the actions. Update product details will take you to Publish page in edit mode. Toggle quantity will change your quantity from 0 to 1 or vice versa. This is very essential when you want to deactivate product without deleting it. Remove from monitor and delete product from store. In the Unmonitor tab, you can see all the unmonitored products. Clicking on Add to Monitor will open a modal window, which there you need to provide a source product to monitor by. I prepared in advance. Same as we did in Publish, just copy the URL and paste it here. We will see the basic details like price and quantity. At the bottom, we can set desired profit percentage. After filling the details, click on Monitor button. Doing so will move the product from unmonitored to monitored. Every certain amount of time, the system checks for your monitored products and update prices according to their desired profit percentage. Orders. Here you can see all your orders and details about them, such as payment date, customer name, purchased quantity, price, and status. You can view more details by clicking on the View button. In the future, we will add more actions to make it easier for you. Clicking on the View Details will show you information regarding the order. As you can see, there are two parts, the order details and the buyer details. We added a Google map for you to verify the buyer address. If the map cannot load, there is a chance that the buyer address is incorrect. A few fields have a button on the right that will allow you to easily copy the data. Responsiveness. Take a note that our system is fully responsive and you will have the exact same user experience as in desktop. Let's get an idea of how it works. We recommend not managing your store through eBay, but through our system, in order to keep the monitor fully synced. In the navigation menu, there is a support button. Clicking on the button will open a real-time chat with us. You can ask there anything you want and we will be glad to help you. In addition, we have Facebook group and Facebook business page. Links will be in the description of the video. Thank you for joining our journey. We have a lot of plans for the future. We will be happy to receive feedbacks and to hear from you. Have a great day and enjoy Painless Dropshipping.